Welcome back to the Tango Tool YouTube channel. In today's video, Tango Tool will guide you on how to use the MKT Tool software. The first and most basic thing about the MKT Tool software is that you need to know how to add Gmail accounts into this MKT Tool. So how do you do that? Please watch this video until the end to learn the detailed step-by-step instructions. Each step will be explained in great detail. And remember, Jungle Tool also offers you a trial version of the software. So please contact Jungle Tool to get free guidance on how to use it. Okay, now you'll go to this screen and we'll open the MKT Tube software. Now, Rangutun will open a T-Tube square for you. Okay, as you can see on the screen right now, Rangutun is in an interface related to the software named YouTube. We will switch to English so that you can more easily see and understand what Rangutun is doing. Now, to add Gmail accounts to the software, you need to do the following. Create categories and add accounts into the software. First, let's create a category. To create a category, pay attention to the screen. You'll see an add button here, so click on it. When you click here, a new interface will appear for you, which is the Our Category interface. Remember to name it. For example, you can name it My Gmail YouTube. Name it like that and add it to the software. At this point, if you add it successfully, you'll see a section called My Gmail YouTube here, as you can see, and you've completed this step. This is the first step. Now let's move on to step 2, which is adding accounts. When you add accounts, click on this section, click on add account and look to the left side of the screen. There will be a section like that. But when you click here, make sure to click it once and a new interface like this will appear. Here you need to add the Gmail accounts. For this part, you need to prepare the Gmail accounts in the following format. First is the Gmail address, then the password and the recovery email, also known as the backup email. You must add them to the software in exactly this format. And when you use Jungle Tool's software, Jungle Tool will introduce you to providers who can supply you with accounts that support exactly this format and are of the highest quality. So you can be completely assured that when working with Jungle Tool, everything will be handled in such detail. Now let's go to the screen and you'll see the YouTube Gmail accounts displayed here. We will copy these Gmail accounts. After that, you will return to the software. So just as per the format, you only need to paste it here. You'll immediately see it appear with information like this. If you see this extra text, just ignore it. You don't need to worry about it because it's just redundant. You won't add that into the software. The next step after you've pasted it in is to pay attention to this section here. Make sure to select it. Don't forget. Next, you'll need to choose the format. There are 2 things you need to pay attention to. Now let's proceed step by step. First, select the folder to save to. Choose My Gmail, YouTube. Second, when you select the format, do you see it? For email, pass mail, or request, if it's email, you select this section here. Immediately, it will automatically add it into the software, as you can see on the screen. Then you press the add button here. At the end, you'll see an add button, so make sure to click it right here. When you click this add button, it will automatically add the account into the software under this top name, and you can completely choose your own folder. It will display for you like Gmail, as you see on the screen. Okay, and at this point, you have successfully added the accounts into the MKT Tool software. Alright, and if you want to learn more in depth about the MKT Tool software, what it does and how to use it, you can contact Jungle Tool via Telegram and WhatsApp as shown on the screen.